blood clot. Warm to them. So listen, Jamaica, it's either we are going to stay or we are going to decay. And we are going to be a dunceness. That's why some boy come and sing some dirty, nasty, foolish. People have been excellent and educated and smart level. Boy, say if you want I think some black people put it in a book. That means a boy you celebrate say they made us illiterate and dance.
You know, maybe some of the brand new track.
It's been long gone.
And this is JamRock. Move it to the wall I don't call for them.
You started, sir.
I don't even started, you can't cheat me.
I don't even started.
What if you like some people started, I don't even started.
Alright, it don't matter who started.
Alright then, particular giving you originality. What's a shot of you respect and love equality. It's a good of your picture to make clarity. Cham, you know the girl and say them love with personality. Big up with nationality. We don't love the body fee. But we don't love a city. Pressure me, but we don't let go me sanity. Put up for your put up for police and miss. Say say you're something we don't know the tea. Here's something up there are in China. When you go to the yard and fellas in there.
Turn up, Cham.
Let me make we manage it. Say we are the killing with me first I think. Me and my crew.
We're on another level. You think you're with your new sound.
Cham.
Come on, me and my crew. We're on another level. You think you're with the new sound.
What up? Level. Salute the great man in the house, Dave Kelly. Salute to the madhouse. Whole crew production. Stalwart dancehall producer. I want to know how I want. Level. Cause from one day Jamaica move very, very stupid. Cause something when me hear people at Endas, boy. I know we that to know. We don't walk and pick up nothing, you know. We don't fly by day and pitch by night to the people. And we are the toughest thing in the Caribbean. 11. Serious note this bag. And we are the strongest culture in the world. One little dot on the map and everybody wants a bomb clot. Blood clot. Warm to them. So listen, Jamaica, it's either we are going to stay or we are going to decay. And we are going to be a dunceness. That's why some boy come and sing some dirty, nasty, foolish. People have been excellent and educated and smart level. Boy, say if you want I think some black people put it in a book. That means a boy you celebrate say they made us illiterate and dance.